What's good, YouTube? I'm Chris.
I'm Ray.
And he's a little bit under the weather right now. You know what I'm saying? He ain't really feeling himself. So bear with us. Well, bear with him. I'm Gucci.
Bear with me because
I stay medicated. Today, we're watching Crazy Car Crash Compilation of the Year 2019.
Yeah.
So let's see how good people drive from the whole year 2019.
Bro,
oh my!
Serious? That's this nigga fault. And you got your kids, your family in the car.
Fucking bitch! Ah, what? Good job! Oh my God! Good job! Good job! Oh man!
Yo.
Huh? Probably! Oh, that's fucking up!
Yeah. He was young before he got hit. Oh, come on, dude. Like, come on, man. Clearly you saw the nigga turn. You gotta stop. If you going straight, he's going left. You gotta let him go. Oh, this nigga.
That was not smart.
Trying to copy what he did clear.
My fault, y'all.
Are they okay? Wow, dude, that wasn't smart. You okay, man?
Okay, man? Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Okay, he got the massive road rage.
Right on point. Shit.
Why he stopped there? There's no space to get through. Oh shit.
Damn.
Remember the car accident yesterday?
Mm.
Well, it wasn't that bad, but yeah, the two.
Did it.
Oh damn.
Nico. Here he is, everybody. It's Nico.
Hello. Fuck. Alright. This is it, man. This is my fucking opportunity.
Oh my god, he's seen me too.
This is fuck, man. I had a couple of jokes before. Holy
He's seen him too. I'm like, yo, bro, why he still driving so fast?
Bruh said I had a couple of jokes before. So apparently he seen it coming. He was going to joke on it. Apparently he can't because he already seen an accident and it wasn't him. So yeah, feels some type of way.
What are you doing? Oh my goodness. How that even happen?
Oh my God, se acaban de chocar. Uy, chocaron la señora ya. Oh my God, chocaron la señora. Que chocaron a alguien delante de nosotros. Sí, está todo el mundo bien.
Bro, running.
¿Estás bien? ¿Estás bien, muchacho? ¿Estás bien? Bro.
That nigga hurt.
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm King Bash.
I got that on fucking video too. Oh my god.
So you was watching the video while you was driving?
I got that on video right here.
You watching King
Right
Bash
here.
video?
I just got hit by.
You didn't see that one-way sign bent? There's multiple accidents that went down there. That's crazy.
You just lost control like that?
Oh,
My goodness.
bro almost clipped his ass.
That's why you don't tailgate. You have the space.
But the
Yeah.
nigga swerved, though.
Yeah.
Probably fell asleep. I actually had a coworker who was caught falling asleep behind the wheel. And the nigga sent me a video that he got into an accident. That shit was crazy. Overnight.
Yeah, you do get a ticket going to this. That guy just got a ticket. I just want to like
eBay.
Oh my god. And look at her.
And periodically is, I think it's just a related thing. And so this is really two different of the mistakes. We have it listed as two mistakes in the article, but the second one I think is just very closely related, and that's adjusting your clothing, adjusting your pants.
Rushing to get in.
Could have just fucking waited. I'm sorry for the profanity, but you could have just waited.
If you don't have good quality pants or good quality belt, holding things in place, try to avoid it.
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god, you're fucking kidding me.
Shit.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, we get it.
Jesus, she's traumatized, bruh.
Bro.
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me?
Bruh ramsacked her ass. You know what it is? She couldn't take it. You know what it is? Dude just... You know what I mean? When the nigga just... all the way in.
What?
It's on my bus.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know, that's TMI. You know. Yeah, TMI. 720.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
She couldn't handle it.
Come on, my nigga, really? Bro.
He's running short injury. It's hard to count on one arm or one leg. Is the outside linebacker version of Vance McDonald. I just wrote about Bud Dupree on Thursday here. Look, he has had those previous.
My fault. I like how the dude was just on the phone, paying attention to his conversation, but paying attention to what's gonna go down at the same time. And he lost his train of thought because he was like, because he just saw the fucking accident go down. And this nigga's here is funny. Sorry, y'all. 803.
Issues, but go back to last year. Okay, he did not miss a game, and he only missed. He was on the injury report 3 different weeks last year. It's a shame about it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, man.
You trying to back up in there? What was that? Are you leaving? Why you backed up? Oh, this thing is a bit. Oh my goodness.
Well, homie is soft from even letting him go. The dude already found him as a sucker automatically just by looking at him.
And he did this.
Word.
I'm like, nah,
Nigga
bro.
fell back. You soft for that. I'm sorry.
My goodness, seriously? He was trying to go between those cars, bro. Why you? You got so much space. You're dead too. Shit,
I don't know. We have a habit of
going.
getting. Yeah, we got caught up. Anyways, yeah, man. That was crazy. That was crazy.
That was stupid.
I ain't even gonna hold y'all. LA and New York is similar when it comes to the traffic and the driving. Majority of them dudes cannot drive for shit. The cab drivers out here can't drive for shit. The cab drivers out there can't drive for shit. Because for some reason, the Uber drivers out here, everybody's using GPS, right? But the thing is that if you're not from here, don't drive out here like you know where the hell you're going. Because then the thing is, you're gonna screw it up for other drivers who know where the hell they're going, and then one false move, boom, it's over. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Get to know where you're driving at or wherever you're living at before you make any kind of sacrificing moves. You know what I'm saying? Because, bruh.
Shit, you gotta know where you're going.
Oh, niggas
fuck
can't.
up one time, it's over. You ain't coming back home.
Bruh, niggas can't drive for nothing. And that's what happened to me. A yellow taxi wasn't paying attention, slammed onto his brakes, brake checked me, and my whole freaking front was demolished. It's sad, y'all. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to us, man.
You already know, man. And yeah, man, I'm Chris, he's Ray. You already know. You already saw our reactions. Let's get it.
Facts.
Peace.